terms of entry level, how much did this cost when you first bought it?
It costs about, the original cost on this car was probably around $14,000.
And how much did you pay for it?
I paid $17,500.
And of course now you can multiply that number by a factor of at least 10 or 20.
Yeah, it's quite a bit.
It's been a good investment. Now if I recall correctly, the last car your mom drove was a Volkswagen.
It was, and
a Beetle, right?
Yeah, the first generation of the new Beetle. She even put eyelashes on it. I kid you not.
Nathan, I can't help but feel like we've forgotten something.
0 to 60.
It's funny, I've got this really intrusive navigation system going, taking me down the route that Mercedes, well, Smart, has picked out for me. So if you hear the woman yell at me, it's because, well, we're about to make a right turn onto Ashbury Street, the famous Ashbury Street, and it's a little bit intrusive. So you must be familiar with this street because, of course, this is where all the free love epicenter happened in the 60s.
Destination.
And sorry about the intrusion.
The road until further instructions.
But I feel like I have a dominatrix telling me what to do here. Oh my, oh my. This is definitely going to be an outtake.
Oh yeah, love it.
Now this is a seriously lifted pickup. I mean, I'd have to do a jump shot just to close the hood. Welcome to Bandimere Speedway and Truck Fest 2013. Have you seen a big rig do a burnout? No? Well, you're gonna see it coming up next. Like that, that's a really cool feature to have with a push of a button. That is nice, both for parking and especially going off-road in a big, wide pickup.
Missile launchers would be better.
Nathan says missile launchers.
Careful, Rick.